I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Don's Kitchen Food Concession Services. Don's Kitchen Food Concession Services are known for their party trays, but now they are already serving baked cheese pandesals. And not just your usual baked cheese pandesal, but it comes with a cream cheese frosting, such as this chocolate baked cheese pandesal with chocolate cream cheese frosting. So see, unsaon na lang chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. And of course, they also have this Ube Baked Cheese Pandesal with cream cheese frosting. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Don's Kitchen Food Concession Services. You can have this chocolate baked cheese pandesal with chocolate cream cheese frosting for 450 pesos for the 9 pieces and 650 for the 12 pieces. And this Ube Baked Cheese Pandesal with cream cheese frostings for 350 pesos for 9 pieces and 450 pesos for 12 pieces. And for that, brag seryoso kay ko nagkaon, no? Kay really, I have tasted a lot of Ube Cheese Pandesal, pero kani is like one of the best. The cheese is overflowing, plus the cream cheese frosting, mas lami gid siya. And yes, it's my first time to try a chocolate pandesal. Yan, chocolate pag yun. Yan, chocolate sa sunod mo with the cheese. A perfect combination. Yan na pag yung chocolate cream cheese frosting, murag, this is sinful, but it's like worth the sugar and the calories. But then again, guys, don't forget to drink lots of water after eating a lot of sweets, and to brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!